The Kola Superdeep Hole was an ambitious scientific project undertaken by the Soviet Union in the 1970s. The goal of the project was to drill the deepest hole ever created by humans, in order to study the Earth's crust and mantle. The drilling site was located on the Kola Peninsula in Russia, near the Finnish border. The project began in 1970 and lasted for over 20 years, with drilling continuing intermittently until 1994. The hole was drilled using a special drilling rig and reached a depth of 12,262 meters, over 40,000 feet, making it the deepest hole ever drilled by humans. During the drilling process, the scientists encountered a number of unexpected challenges. At around 7.5 kilometers, 4.7 miles, deep, the temperature of the rock around the drill reached 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, much higher than anticipated. The drill also encountered extremely hard and abrasive rocks, making it difficult to make progress. Despite these challenges, the project continued, and the scientists involved in the project made a number of significant discoveries. For example, they found that the Earth's crust was much thicker than previously thought and that the rocks deep beneath the surface of the Earth were much older than those near the surface. They also discovered microscopic life forms at depths of over 6 kilometers, 3.7 miles, suggesting that life may be able to survive in extreme conditions. However, the Kola Superdeep Hole project was ultimately shut down in 1994, due to a lack of funding and concerns about safety. The drilling rig was removed from the site, and the hole was sealed with concrete to prevent it from becoming a hazard. Today, the Kola Superdeep Despite the mystery surrounding these sounds, they have captured the public imagination and have become a part of the folklore surrounding the Kola Superdeep Hole.